Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, and today I have a Lego Creator 7 to 12 year olds box 31033, and it is a truck one, and it's a 3-in-1, so you get 3 sets out of the one. The first one is a tow truck, as you can see, and then the next one is another truck that carries 2 cars, and then it's another crane type truck. So that's going to be pretty cool to put 3 different types of one from the one box. I think it's the first 3-in-1 I've ever done. So let's have a look inside. Okay, let's open it up and have a look. Okay, in the box we have 2 packets. I'm used to 3 packets, but that's okay. And then you come with the 3 different booklets for each one. Now, for the first one, I'm going to do this one. I think this one looks pretty cool, so we'll give this one a go. Alright, we'll put it together and see what it looks like. So guys, here we have the Lego Creator 3-in-1 truck. So here it is here. Looks pretty good. Nice little red and blue truck, and then it carries off to this little tiny car, which is kind of cute. I thought that was really cute with little headlights. I like how Lego puts in all the little headlights. It makes it look more realistic. But there we have that one, and the next one I will do out of the creators is this one here. So let's have a look and see how it looks when it's done. Okay guys, and here we have the second part to the 3-in-1 Lego set. It's a little lifting truck. It looks pretty cool. It's got like a little red brick here that lifts up, which is pretty cute. And then it just clips back on. They all clip into place, which is pretty good. And it spins around like so. And that'll clip onto any little piece of Lego that has the proper little clip on it, as you can see there, the little clippy bit there, little claw. So that should clip onto any little bit of Lego that has the little handle. So anything you build, you can add that into it. So that there is the second part to the 3-in-1 Lego set. Put that on there. And now the last one that I'm going to do is the biggest one, and it's the truck with the 2 cars. So we'll check that one out and see what it is at the end. So here guys, here is the third part to the 3-in-1 Lego Creator, which is this one right here. So this one's pretty cool. I like this one the best. That's why I left it to last. You get the little yellow Jeep, the little red car, and you get this really cool tow truck. And then the cars just go up on top, and then you can drive away. So that one's pretty cool. So in the whole set, you've got the Creator tow truck. You got this one here, and this one here. So for a Lego kit to have 3 different projects in the one box, I thought was pretty good. Because you could do all 3 different ones. It keeps you busy for a while, especially for kids. I think they would love it. But yes, this was a really good one. I enjoyed this one. It'll go to my city collection. Hopefully I'll have like a really big city by the time I'm done with it all. So remember to like any videos that you like. Even subscribe if you really want to see any more on my videos. And like I say every other time, guys, just keep watching. Bye.